let's continue discussing thesis. A thesis is the main idea or the central argument of an essay. Today, let's discuss cause and effect thesis. This is one that claims a causal relationship. So here's an example. The rise of social media has significantly contributed to increased anxiety among teenagers by promoting unrealistic standards of success and constant comparison. So this thesis makes a causal claim. Rise of social media causing increased anxiety among teenagers. Actually, the wording is significantly contributing to increased anxiety among teenagers, and exploring the relationship between social media and anxiety, how the promotion of unrealistic standards affect teenagers, how constant comparison affect teenagers. So this is a cause and effect thesis. A strong thesis is specific, focused, and debatable. When you write an essay, when you write a thesis statement, your goal is to lay it out so that your logic is clear, and even people who may not agree with you can actually see the validity of your argument.